Transform your kitchen with Gambone's custom home improvements, where exceptional design meets meticulous craftsmanship. As a family-owned and operated business serving the greater Houston area, we've built our reputation on trust, transparency, and an unwavering commitment to quality. Our proven step-by-step process ensures a stress-free remodel, from your first consultation to a tailored design to flawless execution. We're with you every step of the way. We believe your kitchen should reflect your lifestyle, built with premium materials and finished to perfection. Schedule your free consultation today and discover why discerning homeowners choose Gambone's custom home improvements. Proudly serving Katy and the greater Houston area. Gambone's custom home improvements. Let's build your dream together.